Hey, so I'm going out to California in a week or so, and I have some things I need to button up before I go. I have to plant this Kern's pink viburnum, although I don't see any pink. Looking up close, I do see like a little tinge of pink, so maybe it'll change color. Then I have this Fairy Trail Bride Cascade hydrangea to plant. There's the tag, full sun, perennial, 4 feet wide, 4 feet tall and wide. Full sun, part shade or shade. Low deer resistance. We're a zone 6, so should be good. It has this very, very light pink color. These are the bracts, and that's the flower right there. Sorry for my nails, these are gardener's hands. I haven't figured out where I want it yet though. Okay, and then I have this Iceland poppy. It's really cute. It has a bunch of buds. So cute. The color is Champagne Bubbles Pink. Needs full sun. This spot under our cherry tree would be cool, but it's not full sun. It's just sunny in the morning. Might have to be somewhere here. Maybe here. I have 3 of these lupine. Gallery pink. Sun or partial sun. I'm running out of places to plant. I got a rose. It's a Bathsheba. It's a low climber with apricot blooms and myrrh scent. I know exactly where I'm going to plant it. Right there, where the raspberry has taken over. I had to wait till the evening to plant because it was so hot. So I'm going to plant this here. This is going to get pretty full, but not this. Hopefully it'll stick out. I think this might be some of the thread leaves that used to be here. Ugh, so dry. Definitely not deep enough. Now for the lupine. Scratch out some cardboard for this one. One of the beauties of lupine is how it gathers water. Ooh, Niobe clematis is blooming. This is what I have left. They are gifts that I got from my friends Crystal and Randy. There's a meadow rue, a purple prairie clover, and the oh my goodness, it's this one. It's the one with the blue flowers that I planted where I volunteer. Too hot. I'm done for the day. I'll do those tomorrow.